Thank you, sir. Honorable audience, due to time constraint, I will rush. The regional power trade is a big concept, but I will just highlight in Bangladesh perspective what we are doing, what is our power sector scenario, and what is the regional initiatives. Just few slides, 10 slides. I think I'll finish by 10 minutes. This is power sector at a glance. Our present installed capacity, 8,537 megawatt. Maximum generation on July, 6,675 megawatt. So the difference could not be generated due to primary fuel, gas supply constraint, and also the force outage, machine force outage. Present demand, 7,500 megawatt. Obviously, it is to some extent restricted demand because in the rural side, 33 kV by 11 substation and feeders are overloaded. So in that sense, it is some restricted. Just major points, access to electricity, only 60%, yet 40% uncovered. Our per capita generation, 292 kilowatt hour. But another tremendous improvement in distribution loss. Just 10 years back, it was 35%. Now it is more or less this year, 12%. So this is improvement. This is all about the ownerships. We have the installed capacity, that is generation capacity, 8,537 megawatt, out of which 56% is coming from public sector power plants and 44% from IPP. So gradually the private sector contribution in Bangladesh is improving. This is generation by fuel type. As Panjo said, that Bangladesh has huge gas reserve, but the scenario is not like that. Once it was, the gas-based generation was 90%, 92%, but this year expected 76% or 77% as the gas reserve is depleting. And liquid fuel-based 18%. Another feature is important, coal-based generation, that is domestic coal, 2.86%. This is very important slide for us, so I would like to share with you. We have our power system master plan, which is up to 2030. As per master plan, the total generation capacity, 38,700 megawatt. You see, the earlier slide, gas-based generation was 76%, but due to gas depletion, it will reduce to 23%. So at present, the coal-based generation 2.86%, but our forecast, it will be 50%. So the major challenge, fuel diversification. So import fuel, huge import fuel, 28% coal to be imported, and 30% coal to be exploration from domestic, from local sites. Also, we are expecting regional grid cooperation. Out of 38,700 megawatt, we are expecting 3,500 megawatt will coming from our regional countries, which is almost 9%. The same challenges, we have same challenges like India. Primary fuel diversification is challenge, project financing, the regional cooperation, and human resource development. Last 4 days, we talked many issues, but I have served 25 years, which I felt that there is another issue, that's professionalism, that in Bangladesh, I think also in India, the fresh graduate or talented guy is not coming power sector because the salary structure, the dignity, the professionalism, the respect to professional, that's the bureaucracy, etc. So the talented guy are not interested. If they join, after 3 years they leave. So who will you run the power stations? If everybody goes to bureaucracy, who will run your power station? Who will run your utility and grid transmission system? This is my question to forum. Nobody talked about in this forum. That is our career planning job. The regional initiatives so far between India and Bangladesh, signed in 2010. We are thinking power import from Palatan and 500 megawatt from Myanmar, also dialogue continue between Nepal and Bhutan, as there is huge untapped potential. Recently, the joint technical team constituted comprising from Bangladesh engineers and India, they identified 3 sites from Bongaigaon to Boropukuria to Purnia, and another sites, Rangia Rauta to Bharamara to India, and third site, Silchar to Bangladesh to Bharamara. So all those the technicalities just in few. There's the 605 kV AC line, 800 kV already it is spelled out by Panjer. Okay, sir. Myanmar. This Myanmar in dialogue is going, so we just identified the ZTT, Joint Technical Report, that side between India and Pakistan, which is currently, the report is at final stage. Yet to be approved, but at final stage. I just highlighted this report, what is visible. Now, the site identified between India and Bangladesh. Already Panjab, one of the speakers highlighted that we are importing power from India, 500 megawatt from Baharampur to Bharamara, Bangladesh, out of which 250 megawatt from public sector, from G to government sector, G to G, and another 250 megawatt from market, that is from private sector, PTC India. Already purchase committee of cabinet Bangladesh approved this. And 250 megawatt, that is the first start. Hopefully, it will be commissioned on mid-September. So this is all about the BIMSTEC. It started in 2005, first meeting, second meeting, third meeting, fourth meeting going on. Still, the MOU is not signed. So this is the question to the invoice, to the distinguished participants. So in the name of finalization of text, and so it should be final, if you believe. So what about the policy framework and vision of the government? It's a IPP banner. I came from Bangladesh, so I must articulate that what is the investment opportunities. So Master Plan 2030, our forecasted generation 38,700 megawatt. It will require total 49 billion for generation and 20 billion from power evacuation facilities. So we have the same Electricity Act 1910. Also you amended, we could not. But right now it is under amendment where the private sector participation both in generation already started in 1986 under policy, in transmission, distribution, open competitive market, also the provision of cross-border issue, and grid open access allowed. In Bangladesh, under Energy Regulatory Commission Act, any business generation, transmission, distribution, it requires license. So the delicensing concept up to 50 megawatt, it is kept in the draft act. We will establish ISO for optimum generation scheduling and merit order dispatch. This is last slide. So we believe regional cooperation. There is a huge untapped energy. As already Hilal Raja said, India is a large country, but same geography, same demographic, the same feelings. If you believe, please India should play a central role to explore the untapped potential for the benefit of the regional people. Thank you all. Thank you for giving me opportunity.